Good morning, good morning. Welcome to the stream again. Luke Trades London here, live, trading live. Just had a little bit of an issue with the Zoom again. Didn't work, so let's see what we can do today. It's a Friday. Let's go. Yo, what's up, guys? Good morning, everyone. We are live again. Gold pushed. Crazy. Hmm. Yeah, pretty good. What about you guys? Did you catch the move for gold? No, this is my trading session, but I told you guys that was gonna be buys. You listened at the end of the stream. I told you guys it was going at least above 95 when I took the buy. And after that, it went down one more time and then it just shot in New York session. Gold yesterday session. Really crazy. Yeah. Chart 2. There we go. Yes, sir, Casper. First trading day with Magic Keys. Perfect, man. Very, very good. Very, very good. Good morning, Charlie. Yeah, I think you can, Shin. I think you can. Move this one to Let's see on the news what we got today. Oh. Ooh. NFP today. Gold could be pretty crazy today. I think you can trade gold in every London, New York, and Asian session. But do remember that markets are closing or being slower in between these times, so you want to really trade inside these times. At what time will you announce the first winner? It's going to be on a weekend. I told you guys before on Instagram. Oh, thank you, Amy. Thank you. If for gold, I'm waiting for price to come down towards 16, create support, and then retest the high. And for GJ, move all of this. Damn, that news on. What was this? That was the news on. Oh, yeah. Damn. Crazy. Good morning, good morning. Hello, I'm early. What's Magic Keys? Magic Keys is I'll show you in a second. This is Magic Keys. 1 second. It's a risk management tool which you can use right here. Like a sort of a small calculator that you really have in your hands, and you can use it on MetaTrader or some other platforms, and really start to understand and be forced to manage good risk. So GJ looking pretty okay, actually. Hmm. Let's see. What do you think on GJ? Yeah, 1 second. I'm gonna look at the charts in a second. No problem. Hey, look, what's your Insta? Yeah, I'll put that on. I'll put that on the screen, guys. 1 second. Hmm. There we go. This is my Instagram. I'll put it in the YouTube chat too. There we go. Hmm. There we go. The only thing that's going on right now is that the weekly and monthly, they both don't have bottom wicks right now. And we had some sort of a resistance zone right here at 838. Pretty. Hmm. 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 We are at like a 4-hour level right now. This 735. Hmm. I think if this candle closes like this, and the next one starts closing below 620, might take a sell down towards 409. I think sells are gonna get into play soon. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, if you look at buys on the weekly and that monthly time frame, they're both there hanging around without a wick. Last candle was bearish. Now it made a top wick, so it's going down slowly now. This is a zone 2 for the weekly time frame where it's at right now. Sort of rejected this previous bullish candle. This candle doesn't have a lower wick yet, even though this one closed bullish. But if you look at all time frames, there is a level at the 735, between 735 and 838. So I think this is a zone where you don't really want to be in. And I think if we have a 1 hour close like this and the next one close below 620, I think the probability of going down to 400 and even maybe filling the wick of 250 could be a possibility. I think this should be a good target, and that's gonna be already a flipping point for the daily, filling the previous daily bearish wick down. So that should be pretty good. Get some music on. Yeah, the Zoom is being a little bit shitty right now. 1 second, I'll be right back. 1 second, I'm gonna try and fix it again. There we go, guys. It's fixed. Yeah, I don't trade New York. I look sometimes at it when Ricky was trading it, but for myself, it's I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't want to be in a chart for that long, you know.
Yeah, sure.
Ricardo, what exit did you get on that 18? Did you ever get
Everything
in and
is
out?
fixed now.
Yeah, I averaged out, so it actually ended up being. It actually ended up averaging out.
Looking good, look at. Thank you, man.
At 18.
Oh, got it.
Yeah, I closed some early and then I closed some lower.
Oh, okay. Partial position sales. Okay. I thought you closed the whole thing.
Mr. B, exactly.
I closed the whole thing. Yeah, it's all closed. Yeah.
All right.
But I just saw that impulse drop and I took it. A break of on the 30 at 18, 19. I got in a bit lower than that. Yeah. I can feel it might continue down, but I don't know. I'll just look that. Yeah, that'll do me.
Yeah, it's good to wait for that weekly
louder.
to break.
There we go.
Yeah.
Luke, were you gonna post the Zoom in that conversation?
Oh yeah,
'Cause I
still have to do that.
think- yeah, people are looking for it.
Yeah, they're like, oh, he left.
Yeah. What was I going to say? Yes, Sasha.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have soft Forex. If you, I'll sell you half my one of my licenses for $50 if you're interested.
Oh, really? You got it? Yeah, I don't mind. It'll
Yeah.
be easier for me, in fact, because I'll just transfer from here, local.
Salesman of the year.
It's very easy to use. It's not difficult.
Yeah, I was looking at it. I was looking at the tutorial video with it wasn't too hard. It was easy. So I was thinking of doing it. Let's do it.
I don't like using it. I like using I like the back testing on TradingView if you have a subscription, which I took a subscription for a month just to look at the back testing on TradingView, and I understand it you can only do one candle at a time. Like it doesn't do different candles, but I don't mind that because I'm just marking what I'm doing with the back testing is marking where I would take a trade, like if it breaks this area or if it comes back to the support, and then putting an arrow where my stop loss would be.
So why don't you like SoftFX? What's the reason?
It's clunky. It's what I call clunky. It's clunky to get around. It's just it's like driving a car without power steering.
Yeah, that's true, man. It's an old.
Yeah, I don't like it. And yeah, if I had maybe if my Windows, because I work on Mac. But if I had a better Windows machine, I've got a Windows, but it's not it doesn't seem to be powerful enough. It's 8 gigabytes, sorry. But it just is slow and clunky when I use the soft Forex. I don't like using it. Yeah, and I think it's just slow anyway.
Okay, and you don't like it, Luke, as well? You tried it?
No, yeah. I don't like backtesting anyways. Not backtesting, but I don't like what's it called? I don't like simulating.
Simulating.
Yeah.
Yeah, I understand.
So I used it a couple times, but
I want to practice that. I'm going to start doing it. Maybe I'll be selling it further once I don't like it.
What Ted was talking about on that video, backtesting gold, looking at the different the different times of day. He was talking about, like for us in Australia, he was talking about the Chinese Open, which for me on the East Coast is 11 p.m. So for you, it's
very nice
9 a.m.
Very good.
Yeah, Ricardo. So you don't agree with him?
No, I totally agree with him. Yeah, but I think and I don't know how he backtests, but I'm presuming he's just like, if you go on, if you use TradingView in the way I was talking about, I mean, you can backtest effectively enough going back far enough, and say looking at the 11 a.m. candle, the 11 a.m. in Australia candle, and seeing what that does, seeing how that forms, seeing how the daily forms. And so you can do all that stuff.
And TradingView as well, if you put yourself down to it.
You can do that with soft Forex too, without actually having to take trades. You can just look at it and see how the daily's formed, and then see how that hourly candle is formed at the market open.
There we go. Is that better? You don't have music now, then, man, like Alex. I'll let them speak for a little bit, and then soon I'll start talking. Yeah. I would definitely look for sells on GG. I want this candle to close below here. Yeah, and then take a sell down to 400. Let's take a look at this chart real quick. Man, like shy, look at him. They can't hear me too, so I'm muted on Zoom. So I'm just talking to you guys right now. So you know, one-on-one conversation with you guys. But it's too long now. Too many people with camera things. Potential target. That's a cool way to man like Jack. Very good chart. I like this one, man. This one is really cool. Really cool. Let me because you did this, I'm gonna you got a second entry on the there we go, second entry on the leaderboard. It's a very cool chart, man. Very cool. I'm looking for gold buys or above buys above this zone to target 22, or buys above this zone 16, create a support, and then continue moving further up to the top. We're so dead. DJ, yeah, it's I know it's a Friday too, but I think if we get that close below 625, 622, we can definitely go down into this range. It's an ugly range, but if you look on the higher time frames, let's say on the 1 hour, you've got this one candle with a wick coming down, and you're targeting this to mirror this candle, this one. You're not looking at this trash for a second. And what I suggest doing, if we close below 622 and we're going down, this point 560 is already going to be a break-even trigger for me. And the reason why it's going to be a break-even trigger for me is because we can tap this level and go back up and start ranging again. So I'm looking for this level to be my break-even trigger level on my magic keys. And then 10 pips is going to be my first target, so it's going to be around 500. It's the middle of this range where just this candle starts stopping, and then the runner down towards the bottom, towards the support of the range. That's what I'm looking at right now. Because also, if you look on the 4 hour, we should be able to start selling below that 22 level, and then continue moving down based on the 4 hour time frame. We're probably going to retest this level and then continue moving further down. Okay, and then continue moving further down towards filling these levels, preferably below to this 4 hour support level. Yeah, the Zoom is talking to me, but it's a bit busy right now. Yeah, I know, I was on mute. There we go. Now I muted myself. I was still talking to the YouTube, but you guys were in a conversation. But that's what I'm looking at on GJ. And for gold, I'm either looking for a support form right here, but I think it's a little bit too close, or above, 18, 16 flat, and then create a support, continue moving further up. But I think based on this 1 hour, you could also maybe take a buy to retest 22 and then continue moving back down, just like yesterday. Look, did you get that massive gold move? No, I didn't. No, I don't trade New York. Donny, let's take a look at your chart, man. Let's see what you got.
Morning.
Morning, man. How are you, bro?
Morning.
Good, man. Yourself? You a bit late today, yeah?
No, I'm not late, bro. I was waiting for the Zoom thing.
Okay.
But now he's going to invest.
Yeah, no,
man's going to invest.
Yeah, man's got to, man. Yeah, but I'll do it with the company thing, Not gonna talk too much about it, but you know the vibe. So tricky.
Some money moves.
Yeah, man. Above, yeah, I would be careful still with these buys above based on the 4 hour time frame and 1 hour and daily. The ways to enter either kind of close or buys the next candle. Impulsive has to buy this. Okay. Yeah, I preferably look for sells on GJ. I I want 625 to be broken, candle close below and continue moving down to 400 and then eventually to 250. And the reason why I'm looking for sells because you got this level right here at 638, and then you got another very strong level at 835 based on the daily time frame right here. Too many rejection candles, previous daily close bearish. This might be retesting and then start coming back down, because if you look on the weekly time frame, we don't have a bottom wick yet. It's a Friday, so we could still pull back, and based on the monthly, we still need to make that bottom wick too. So and the previous monthly actually closed bearish. Even though we're in an uptrend, I think we could still start making that bottom wick and maybe filling all the way down to 149 before continuing even further up. That's what I'm looking at. Shay, if you want to ask your question, you can go ahead, man.
GG is just in a nasty range, to be honest. My personal opinion, I want to see resistances below 151, 250, because that is your daily resistance.
Yeah.
So you want to see resistance below that zone, because yesterday's daily candle rejected that zone, literally just touched that and rejected.
Yeah.
So, we're in sort of like a daily-ish range, and as long as we stay in there, it's going to be hard to trade, especially we coming into yesterday's zone 152, because if this candle closes above, obviously, and if it passes through 4-hour resistance, which is 151, 840, which one you mentioned, we might come and fill 152, but I don't know if I'm comfortable to take buys at this point.
Me
anyways
too. I'm not comfortable, because if you look at that daily, I first need a candle to close above that. That's a rejection zone. We can go up and bang back down. That's why I'm rather looking for sells.
Day as well, man.
Yeah. I'm rather looking for sells right now. Even though we're pushing up, there looked like a break and retest. It's still, for me, it's this zone to the left on the higher time frame is still too ugly. So every single time we could just jump back down.
Yeah, then we got daily wick fill,
that's
to probably, if we can do that, that would be lovely. If this daily can sort of flip and fill the daily wick fill, so then the weekly closes week bullish, and the next week we can sort of create that monthly bottom wick to come down to, well, let's not say what zone, but just in general, to come down and make bottom wick on the monthly.
Yeah, makes sense. Yeah, that's my buy is at least bearish for now. Even though we're pushing bullish in the lower time frame, making some higher highs and higher lows, my buy is bearish on the higher time frames, and that counts.
Structure-wise, if that would be Wednesday, I would be in.
Yeah,
the buys.
makes sense. Yeah, because then you still got the momentum for price to make a new higher high on the candle before going down.
Yeah, you would have had 10 pips.
Yeah, easy 10 pips. The thing, and because if you compare it with today, what's the probability of today making a new higher high and coming all the way back down? So on a Wednesday, you could have expected that daily to, start coming up still, and then on a Thursday, you could expect price to start coming down, and Friday, and then start creating the bottom wick. Or even it already has a bottom wick, but filling this target right here to below. So.
Yeah, because 1 hour made sense to push further up. It completely makes sense. We rejected 620, we broke through that one, we made the new high, and then we create support and 30-minute, which was like a engulfing candle with the hourly, sort of with the rejection candle. We got clean range sort of to 900-ish, 840, 4-hour resistance. So price might struggle at that point.
Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah, I think the safest thing is to wait for that 1 hour close, and depending on where it closes, then you could see if sells can still be valid, or actually you should maybe start looking at buys, or even like it's going to be another no trading day.
Yeah, I think today's daily candle will be the catalyst of next week's bias. Let's say that way.
Yeah, exactly. Because if this daily comes all the way back down and is pretty bearish, then you could easily expect for next week to go back down and maybe keep pushing down. But if this one closes pretty strong bullish, then it would close above the resistance that it's failed to do in the last 2 weeks. And that would be a good sign that we may be pushing back up.
Yeah, because I mean, if we close above 152, let's say 100, like a daily candle closure above that zone, I think that's a reasonable way for us to test 153.
Yeah, easy.
Because then we leave in all that zone. If you look at the daily, and it's that zone, the whole wick zone, it's from 151.250 to 151.980, the whole wick, which was at 20th of April.
Alex Rose, do we always look for moves to mirror with a clean range? Because I've heard Roger say sometimes if we have volume, then expect a price breakthrough from ranges. Yeah, you could expect that, but that's going to be at London Open times and all that stuff. So what I would look for if I was you, if you're beginning, you're just trying to mirror the moves to the left. Just clean moves, clean traffic. And some people are like, oh, but when there's that, when do you see clean traffic? This is clean traffic right here. If you're gonna sell off, this is clean traffic. You're trying to mirror the move when you're trying to sell. Even though shit happened to the left, you're gonna look further and you're gonna see here clean traffic too, clean traffic, clean traffic, clean traffic. And if you look at this zone, this is no clean traffic. So you're trying to mirror this move right here. And yeah, maybe if you got London Open, like last year, London Opens would fly like 50, 60, 70 pips sometimes. Then you can expect price just start running through this entire zone without any problems. But that's all based on the opening of the market. So high volume times, what you just said. So yeah. Yeah, Kylan, exactly. But I think we're going down on GJ, to be honest with you.
Luke, can you do me a favor, if you don't mind, to go on a daily?
Yeah, sure.
Please, just for everyone. You see this
zoom out more
whole wick. If you can, yeah, I think that would be sensible. Yeah, perfect. If you can see that 20th of April, the candle that rejected from top side, the bearish candle with a high wick.
This one.
Yes. So we are in this zone and we haven't left this zone yet. So we basically this whole wick is the zone that GJ is at.
Yeah.
So we need to close out of that zone and the next few candles to show some sort of rejection to the downside or to the upside. So I think once we leave this zone, it's gonna be like the catalyst, which bias we take. That's it.
I think it's gonna move then, or we're gonna go down, or we're gonna go up. Either way, it doesn't matter.
Yeah, but we need to close above that zone.
Yeah.
Like we need to leave that zone because that's the zone that GJ is stuck into, and he's been for what 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days, man. That's a whole week. We at.
Yeah. So about the Magic Keys giveaway, there's only like 60 people with charts in there right now. So we're gonna do one Magic Keys giveaway based on the charts, and then we're gonna give everyone a chance as well to win the Magic Keys on Instagram itself. Because I just want more people to be in that competition to have a bigger chance as well. Because some people they don't make charts like that. So I understand the fact that you know participating for you is gonna be pretty hard. So we're gonna do one Magic Keys giveaway based on the charts. So those people have a higher chance of winning because they send in a good chart. And then the week after, we're gonna do maybe on a Friday or in the weekend. So we're gonna do like the other giveaway, and that's gonna be based on everyone that's in that Instagram live, because then everyone has a chance. And I was thinking about also doing maybe a small evening session, not today, I think. Maybe if you guys really want it, or next week's Friday, that we're gonna go over the trades we took for this week. So let me know if you guys hype it up and you wanted me to do it today. We might do a short session today of maybe an hour of going back over the charts and over the trades we took and show you guys what we look for to become greater by looking at the trades we took, but looking at the failures we had or even the wins we had. So let me know if you want that. We're about to hit.
To be honest, really quite weak for us.
Hey, go ahead. Sorry, man. Go ahead.
No. I was gonna say, but to be honest, really quite weak for us this week.
Yeah.
Like 2 trades only.
It's a good learning opportunity. Good learning opportunity based on discipline and waiting for the correct trades.
100%, man. 100%.
Because that's what I see people not doing enough yet. Just waiting for the good opportunities and just jumping in.
The last couple of weeks, I've been a bit jealous of those who trade gold, because gold is just giving moves right and left, like every session, and nice moves.
You know what, guys? I'm gonna give you guys nearly an impossible challenge today. If you get the subscriptions to 6,000 and more than 250 likes, now we're gonna do a short session tonight. So let's see if you guys can do that. So if you want it, make sure your mates and everyone in this, you're able to make it. You got 265 people watching right now. You got more people than the likes the challenge has. So
30 subs, that's easy.
30 subs is easy, yeah. But I'll give them the subs is a little bit easier than the likes. I'll give them that one. Let's see if we can hit that 6K flat. Then we're gonna get the air horns out, guys. You know the vibe. Yes.
Man, what is Floyd getting into? What is Floyd getting into, man?
It's some straight up comedy.
Man's
yeah, easy money.
Morning. Kindly have a look at my chart. Thank you. Yes, sure. There we go. Good morning, Albano. Good morning. Let's see what this chart is about. I looked at this chart, but it should be pretty good to sell off because you're in this downtrend. Quick look at gold. Yeah, winning price to pull back towards 16 flat, and then create a 30-minute support or 15-minute support, and then continue moving back up to 21, and then full TP at 22.30. And then for GJ, I'm looking for a price to close below 620, and then take a sell down towards 420. No, for 410, around that, 409, and then super target's going to be this level right here. That's going to be 250. Lewis Cusson, good morning, afternoon from Australia. Nice, man. Very nice. Potential buys are just all the way to the left side. Looking for... Oh. Okay. So no trade. So yeah, pretty good, man. Looking at the same thing. But I'm not really looking at buys in that zone that you got marked out because I don't know if I like it that much, you know. Made the camera thing a little bit bigger. Go. But pretty good chart overall. Pretty good. Bias for gold is still bullish. Bias for GJ is bearish right now.
Yeah, I think for buys you would need 1 hour close above resistance, so like 775. And if the next 1 hour the best would be retest or come back in the range, and after break the 1 hour high that it has now, then that should be that's a possibility I'm looking at for buys. But my bias is still sales, like most of us.
Okay, nice. Hey, can you look at my chart? Yeah, man, like Damien. Let me take a look. Do. 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 Yo, this is. I think this is a really wrong chart. I do not see anything. Yo, Damien, send it again, please, with a new link. Force me. Move this. There we go. Okay. Break above 855. Sure. That makes sense. If you expect price to go up to this range, there's a high possibility. But do have in mind that this could be a rejection level right here. But hopefully it plays out for you. Gonna close below 380. Yeah, this is a safer option right here. For the people that want to have a safer trade on the Friday, this is the safer option. And targeting 250, that's going to be your first target. So 13.5 pip target is going to be your first target. And then you're going to go to break even and target, 151 flat after. Looking for buys above 152, 100. Yeah, it makes a lot of sense too. But this 200 level is going to be your first target straight away. And then break even trigger at that target 2, expecting price to go up after. Pretty good, man. Pretty good. Bazad, could you please tell us so far total number of participation for the Magic Keys? Yeah, I said it before. It's like 55 or 60 or something. And there's actually some people doubling it. So what I'm going to do, what I said a couple minutes ago as well, is that I'm going to do one Magic Keys this weekend on live on Instagram. So my Instagram is right here. Copy paste that into the chat again for the people that don't follow me on Instagram yet. So we're going to do that live on the weekend in a live session on Instagram. And then after that, because there's not many people in the participating, there's only like that amount of people, and we got more than 300 people watching. So when those other 200 something people to have a chance as well, because some of them guys, some of them girls, they don't make those charts like some of us do. So I want to give them a chance as well and give one just randomly away also on an Instagram live session, but the week after. So this week is going to be the people that all have the charts in, and then the week after is going to be just a random giveaway on an Instagram live session, or in the middle of the training week. It depends. Yo, this man is going
G'day, guys.
Yo, good morning, man. Man like Andrew, right?
Morning.
How you going?
Yeah, man like Andrew. I knew it. Heard it from the voice.
Yeah, I'm on the moon today.
Nice.
Was that with Doge?
No, mate. I'm just overjoyed with my losses.
Well, my investment is flying right now. I called out a coin like a couple weeks ago, and it's going pretty well now. We had a little bit of a drawdown, and now it's flying. Already made nearly 100% now, like on full position. So. And with this other coin, I was like up like 100 something yesterday too. But this one is going slowly. But I'm holding this big numbers. Hey, look, this analysis on Usdjpy. Yeah, sure. Let me take a look. See, rejection right there. Ooh, sheesh. Sheesh. Let's take a look at Anashpudi's chart, and if it's good, it's also going into. Okay, you got some lines, you got some targets planning after. Yeah, you're anticipating this move up again. Yeah, it makes sense. I'll put you in the leaderboard. Put you in the leaderboard for the Magic Keys. So the people in there, they have a pretty high chance of winning that Magic Keys, to be honest with you. them. Hey, look, can you check out, please? Yes. Come on. Oh yeah, guys, make sure that all the charts you send in, make sure that you keep them so you know the numbers. I'm gonna do it based on the name, but also based on the numbers of the chart. So you can't really, you know, there's no way to try and fake it that someone else is saying that he's the person or whatever. Or resistance. Impulsive entry. Okay. Yeah, makes sense. Makes sense. Look out for this zone again. What I said, could be a rejection zone. So I'm gonna put mine on the leaderboard too. Gonna fill up that leaderboard for a second.
Yeah, looking at it now, if the 30-minute close bearish, then I would take it if it has a bottom break at the break of the 30-minute bearish, like the break of the low of this 30 minutes.
Ooh, we're about to hit 6K. 5 subscribers left. So if you haven't subscribed yet, press that button. You know the vibe. Let me get that air horn thing ready. There we go. 6K hit. Damn, guys, that went fast.
Nice. Well done.
Let me get those air horns out. There you go. Yeah, man. Thank you, guys. It's been crazy already. Now 6K. You have not answered my question, mate. Where is your question, bro? Is the magic keys giveaway participation closed, mate? No, today you can still enter. Send in your chart, man. Thank you, Mark. Crazy. 6K. You know the vibe. Remember, if we hit 250 likes, we're gonna do a small, I'm not gonna tell you guys how long, but small session tonight on how we go over the trades and how we look for the things that we can do better next time. Congrats, Luke. The 10K will come through, bro. Trust me. Yeah, man. Looking forward to it, hopefully. Take a look at this chart. Buys above 780 if kind of closes above resistance. Yeah, same thing for sells. Buys, not really my cup of tea right now, but could work out for the people that really want to take a buy. This chart was from Nakunji. Let's put you on the leaderboard. Unlike Nakunji. There we go. Save it. Put some music back on. When it kind of closes, does it need to close below the previous wicks or just below the body? I always look just below the body. Just below the body of the candle, and then it's good enough for me. Or there's like rejection wicks, but
gold looks like it's gonna go down to the next zone.
Yeah.
But I don't like, if you look at the 30-minute, I don't like how it just closed on the resistance. That's supportable.
I don't think you want to trade inside this zone.
No. I do think if it closes below, it'll go down to your bottom zone.
Yeah.
I do think that, but I'm a bit.
If I see a 30-minute candle close at 1888 or 19, I will take a buy up towards 22, and take a small buy up and see what we can do.
Yeah, if I see a bullish close, I'll also take a buy.
Ryan Cole, do you have a mentor program? No, but soon we're creating a community, also probably with some extra course things as well. Small course, and then mostly it's going to be based on feedback and the community itself, and that's going to start at the end of this month, hopefully. Then I'm all fully ready, so more to come about that soon. Hey, look, what is your analysis on gold today? Well, we're just talking about that. I'm looking for buys. Buys is bullish. I caught this trade earlier with smaller risk, thanks to you. Oh, let's take a look. Quento. I like Quento. There's some music on. Oh, let's get that from yesterday beat. Let's see. Ooh, very nice chart. Let's get. I think you're already on it, but let's get you second time on it because this is what I like to see. And let's put in the information. Yesterday. Oh. Very nice, very nice. Market ranges. Well, this wasn't because of me. You did it yourself. I didn't say about the buys yet, but I think you did pretty well. Impulsive as breaks previous candle high after breaking a low before. Target reached. Very good trade, man. Very nice. Very, very nice. You're on the leaderboard, bro. Best. Yeah, that yesterday beat. There's two beats that are the best beats. The timpani beat in this one. We're going to get into sheesh coin. Yeah, I'll get in. If the sheesh coin gets created, I'll definitely hop in. I don't care if I'll hop in. No worries. I'm just curious. You played a challenge. Not. Yeah, listened to it a couple times, but. Very good. Okay, then we'll ask later. My question is regarding to backtesting software they're talking about. It's not urgent, and we'll ask later. Yeah, perfect, man. No problem. Look, what do you need to see to take an impulsive trade? I need to see a support or resistance, and then at that resistance, I want to see a close support really close by, or at support, I want to see a resistance really close by. At volume times, I want to see the lows get broken and then get in based on impulsive entries. Next, man, congratulations 6k. Looking forward to 10k. Yeah, man. I'm just questioning how it went all so fast. There's a bit of help of RQ, but that was till 1,000, and the rest of that we just started flying. Started literally flying. Crazy. 10k is incoming. USD chart. Let's take a look at cycle chart. Very nice chart. This one, I still like it. Very good. I like it. Good information. I did something wrong myself right here with the actual slash in. Ooh, just a little bit dark. Man's looking at the indicated things as well. I don't even know what this is. I think this is RSI, and I got no idea what this is. RSI. RVI. Oh, I got no idea, man. Parish looks like MC. Okay. Yeah, I don't trade any indicators, so I don't understand it. But if it makes sense, go ahead, man. Go ahead. I just don't understand what this target is. See some lines right here, but some more extra explanation is good too. But put some value in, so I'll just put you on the leaderboard. No worries. You got some more people on the leaderboard anyways then. There we go. Have a look at my chart, please. Dion, yes, let me take a look, man. If we get to 250 likes, could you run over an example of impulsive trades, please? Pretty please, yeah. Sure. 100 to go. 100 to go. I think there we got one more chart, and then Good chart. Man like Dion always has very clean charts. I like this for a daily flip. Looking a little bit safer options. Doesn't mind. He don't, doesn't give a fuck about this entire range. He wants to go or below it or above. Music back on. Resistance 152, 200 for solid buys. Yeah, it makes a lot of sense. This is really the safe option. I think a safe option on a Friday isn't even a bad choice. So I think you should be pretty good, man. You should be pretty good. No, I'll make it 300 if you say that again. I mean, we're able to hit it. We got 325 people in, so target is should be pretty good. Pretty good. Pretty good chart. This one, I like it a lot. There's some gold. Waiting for that 30-minute candle to close. If we already have a 30-minute candle close, I think there's already going to be people in at the 15-minute close above 1850. Rather waiting for that 30-minute close because we still have a 1-hour candle against us. But I think based on this 15 closing above that level, you could already anticipate going on top of the range. But someone wanted to ask a question. Go ahead. Was it just me? Yeah, that was me. Let's see.
Yeah, gold looks like it's gone.
Yeah. Oh man. Those skill fixes on MetaTrader. There you go. All the way up. Yeah, I think that maybe in that 15 close there's a possibility you could buy off from it. But 1 second. Choo 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 choo. There we go.
Hey Luke, you're looking for long on gold?
I'm looking for buys. Buys.
Buys above the break of this 15-minute candle?
I thought about that, but not sure yet. Not sure yet. Maybe I'll take a cheeky buy.
5 more minutes.
Yep.
Yeah. Okay.
What are you looking for?
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. That's already running up too high, and it's, not sure.
Okay.
It's ranging at the moment. Yeah.
Yeah, what I rather want to see, Sasha, is I want to see pull back towards 816 and then create a support and then continue moving back up. That would be a more ideal situation, I think.
And how long is it for the London Open? I think not too long, right?
20 minutes.
Yeah. So I think it's not wise to take a position before that because that will be instant volume, pulling it up or down, something like that. So yeah. It's better to wait.
True. Yeah, it's good. I'm waiting. I rather want to see what I said before, a 30-minute candle close, because we actually said that 1-hour candle bullish on us. And if we get that 1-hour close bullish above 818.14, you have a 1-hour candle with you, and that's going to be easy for you to hit the target above because that's a break and retest on the 1-hour time frame. That's really strong.
Yeah, that makes sense. Good idea there.
Then you have the 30-minute with you have the 1 hour with you. 4 hours is about the flip at that time. 15 minutes closing above the previous resistance it made. So what's the probability of going up after that? I mean, with this 15 closing in 2 minutes and 40 seconds, it could already push up. But I'd rather wait for the safer option because we're on a Friday right now. And just wait for this this candle, this 1 hour candle to close and take a buy based on a 1 hour, 30-minute, and 15-minute time frame.
All right, thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
Are you announcing today your magic key giveaway or tomorrow?
I think tomorrow or Friday or Sunday, and then gonna put everything in like one of those, what's it called, spinning wheels or generator on the computer that it chooses a random person.
Nice. How many entries you got? Oh, definitely.
It's right now like 50-60, between 50-60. So what I'm gonna do, because it's not that many, I'm gonna give away one based on those charts, and then next week I'm gonna do one just randomly.
Amazing, perfect. And people in Zoom are not eligible.
Yeah, if you go to the Gulag, you can. You're able to participate.
Perfect. I'm getting on YouTube now.
Okay. Very good. Asian low. Price rejection. Potential buys with breaks. Price breaks above 766. 700. Okay. Looks pretty good. No safer buys is buy since current 4 hour broke the previous 4 hour. Okay. Makes sense. Makes sense. Good chart. Like it. Let me put this one on the leaderboard too. Get some value in there too. There we go. My God. Back to that chart thing. Yeah, I'm just not a fan of those buys. I was actually, when I first came to the charts, I was like, yeah, maybe buy up towards this zone right here, where it's right here. But I don't know. Not my thing. Probably. How long will be the stream? Probably another hour and a half. Hour and a half, maybe 2 hours, maybe a little bit longer stream, maybe a shorter stream, because maybe if we hit 250 likes plus, we're gonna do a small session in the night going over the trades we took. Yeah, it makes a lot of sense, Augustus. Amy, how to join Zoom if you don't mind me asking? Yeah, soon I'll be having a community, but then you're going to be able to join the Zoom as well. And that's going to be probably at the end of this month. Going to be on a subscription base, where I'm also going to give you feedback on the things you do. Have small sessions in the evening sometimes as well, just with the group itself. So. Hey, look, take a look at my ID on Usdjpy. Let's take a look at your ID, man. Ew, 15 close without a wick. So there's no trade.
I'm in gold buys, not gonna lie.
Why?
I'm not a fan of the wick, but I still feel like it's gonna push up. Not a fan that it's not got.
It's Friday, right?
I don't know.
You need to go for the best possible positions, man. Don't. That's a little bit of fear of missing out right there. think it's going to go up?
All I was thinking of is if I don't feel like if this 30-minute does go up, I don't think it'll close, given a good enough position.
Okay.
That's my idea behind it.
Let's see. Looking for break and retest entry for buys, but you're going bearish now, so why you're not going to be looking for sells? I think you could already maybe sell off once you get a resistance formed right here to retest the low. I don't know about the pips right here, but if I was you, I'd just be looking for sells if this is not a very strong zone. For the next chart. With this thing right here. And enough range to buy. Sells. Okay. Oh, it looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. More resistance got formed, broke the low, and then shoo. Should be good. I think if you hit your 10 pips, just go to break even and then have the rest run towards your target. Yeah, I'm really gonna wait for that 1 hour and 30-minute candle to close bearish, and even maybe wait for the 30-minute high to be broken at 19.14. Because that's gonna be this level right here, where it's gonna break that 50-minute high and then continue moving up. And I have targets at 20, 21, 22. Probably securing at this wick at 20.40. So this is gonna probably be the first target based on a 50-minute time frame where rejection formed. And that's gonna be, let's say you get an entry once it starts breaking. That's gonna be the first exit at 12.8 pips, and then the next exit is gonna be at 24.4 pips, and then the exit after for the super runner is gonna be 32 pips. But I wouldn't mind if this 15 closes bearish and the next one starts breaking the high and then continue moving further up. But you know, these pairs sometimes less 10 minutes, less 5 minutes they can push. So let's see.
Also on gold, once it starts breaking above, I think that's also going to be really good confirmation to continue going up to 1824.
Okay, yeah.
Because the daily is still rather small bodied, so it needs to create still the majority of its body. So we can see around 1724, 25.
Yeah, and I already made a bottom wick too. It could also be retesting 1810 soon if we don't go up straight away.
If it breaks its own low, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be careful in this range because I want to see a big candle form before I take a buy to indicate that there's a lot of volume. And right now I'm not seeing any sort of volume in this range so far. And the biggest candle is to the downside, so and it broke 15-minute structure. So for me, this range is a little tricky on gold. But
yeah, for me, I'm just gonna wait. Yeah, exactly. For me, I'm just gonna wait for this 30 to close with a wick. So hopefully close around 1860 or whatever, and then continue moving up. Like it could continue moving now, but I'd rather be in the safer option. And then have this 15 close bearish and the next one break the high and then continue moving, because my target isn't that big. My target is only like a break and retest, broke up, came back down, created support above here, and then try and retest that level again.
Yeah, on the hourly it's super clean.
Yeah. And what already would be my first target is that hourly wick, first wick, just before that resistance. So I would already be at break even once that happens. 15 is flipping right now, so you could be good. Ewan?
Yeah, we'll have to see. So my confirmations for it, if you go on the 15-minute, so it created a large rejection wick and then it faked out because it closed below and then it closed back above, and then the two 15-minute wicks below respected each other. So I was like, okay, they're respecting each other. It's closed above.
Okay.
Those are my sort of confirmations for it.
Yeah, makes
so
sense.
Rejecting the downside to go up. But
yeah, the only thing I don't like about the situation is that candle doesn't have a top wick, so that's why I'm not taking it.
Yeah, I was a bit okay in closing.
Especially on a Friday for myself, I'm looking at the best, best possible situation to be in. I want to be. I don't want to get slipped. On a Friday. The vibe.
Honest, I mean, it's just my opinion. You take your trade on your own bias and your own execution, but I'm not big of a fan.
You're very quiet, Frank.
Yeah, sorry. Now it should be better. Yeah, the fact how the previous 30-minute close so bearish and like under the support, like for me is just.
Yeah. I think if this kind of closes above 18.50 and it starts breaking the high at 18.19.16, I'm gonna take an entry.
Yeah, but then it's 1 hour close.
Yeah.
That makes no sense. Also.
Why not? Because I have a 1 hour candle with me. Bullish 1 hour.
Yeah, but then you have a bottom wick.
Yeah.
So.
That's why I'm gonna wait for price to come down, and after it starts breaking the 30-minute high, then I'm gonna get in. I'm anticipating price to break the 30-minute high.
I thought you said you would get in if this 15 like flipped.
No, the high. Look, the high is the 30-minute high.
Okay.
So if this breaks, if this 1 hour opens and it makes a bottom wick, and then breaks the high, then I'm gonna get in.
Yeah, that makes sense.
But then you have candles with you. The only reason I didn't take this is because it closed without a bottom wick, top wick. Good morning. That's the only reason I didn't take it.
And GJ, I think it's going to be very crucial with this 1 hour closes. If it can respect the resistance or if it closes above it.
Yeah, it's in a predicament. Yeah. We have like 4 hour resistance.
NFT today as well, guys. So it's so many things can happen.
So many things. Based on GJ too, you already see that previous 30-minute candle rejected, closed without a bottom wick. So that's why you see some bullish momentum right now. What I always say is you see a bottom wick and then a small wick on the next one, and it continues the other direction. Same thing happened twice. But I think GJ is. I'm still bearish on GJ.
If GJ closes at resistance for the 1 hour, the next one makes his top wick, breaks the bottom wick of this 1 hour, then it should continue going down.
Yeah. I don't know about this chart. There's not enough information on it. Let's take a look at this chart. From Iruna. Waiting for price to go down, create a resistance, and then continue moving further down. Looks pretty good. Strong support, turn resistance. Yeah. I don't know if I'm a fan, but you're good that you're trying to mirror this move here to the left. Next time, add a little bit more information, but I'll put you on the leaderboard anyways. Oh, let's get this slow music out of here. There we go. Slash. There we go. Muta Ahmed, please check out GJ analysis. Yes, let's take a look, man. I'm gonna take a look at one more chart and then I'm gonna focus on gold for a little bit. If I'm gonna take this trade, I'm gonna do it based on a lower lot size. Very good chart coming in from Muta. I'm gonna read this one after because it's gonna be take a little longer for me to read. Very good chart. Probably in the top 5 charts I've seen yet. Hopefully, if the information is good. But based on
Hi, how are you guys doing?
Hey.
Pretty good, man. Like Dennis, you already made 2% today?
No, I'm like minus 0.3 today.
Okay.
I made 2 gold trade and then one win, 1 loss. So I'm calling it a day to not trade. Just following live stream. Yeah.
You already made some
Good choice, man.
Some good profits this week, right?
Yep. This week I got like around 6%. So yeah.
It's very good, man. Very good. Very nice.
Yeah, no reason to get my profits out.
Yo, man, like Ewan.
Yep.
How's you
I was on
doing?
mute.
Are you still in?
Yeah, well, I've closed like 75%. Just letting but it's weird because I don't know. It's not broke any lows, but I didn't like how it was breaking the 50.
Yeah, the new 1 hour open is tricky.
Even did you buy once the 15-minute high got broken or once the 15-minute candle closed?
I basically bought it when it closed. Not the best.
Oh, mate, you bought no top wick candle.
Yep, that's what I said too. Because I said the exact same
what?
thing. Wasn't the smartest thing, especially on a Friday, man. Like you want wait for the best setup. Best setup. Best possible position.
Makes sense.
Yeah, 100%.
To buy one, but man, there's no candle top wick like this. On the Friday 50-50, nah, boy, not on the Friday.
No, next time you win, well. Like you win, I think it was a little bit fear of missing out. If I want to be honest with you.
Yeah, definitely.
You're like, oh yeah, but then it's gonna move, and I'm like, bro, don't care if it moves. If it moves, it moves, man. There's if you gotta wait for the perfect setup. If your setup does not perfect, but if for at least the 80 to 90% chance setup, and if that doesn't happen and you're just gonna enter because you think it's gonna go anyways, doesn't make sense.
Even it's NFP today is also, you know, the gold might react like mad. Yeah, GJ is closing above.
Yeah, if it closes above, then I think sales not going to be valid.
Yep.
Like I would get in buys if it closes like this once it breaks this one.
Without a top wick, close without a top wick.
What's going on, man? Just leave a wick, man, and let me take a bite.
No.
In a way, it's keeping us out of the chart. It's like, hey guys, it's NFP today. What you doing? Trying to take a trade?
Yeah.
So they close with no top wicks.
I mean, if you look at an hourly, it makes sense to push up.
Sure.
Nah, needs a bigger bottom wick.
No top wick, Untitled Freaky Friday. Yes, Freaky Friday.
And look at the way it closed. The 30-minute closed literally at the 4-hour resistance without top wick.
Now it's changed, I think. Now it's good. If you refresh the YouTube, I think it should be good now. Yeah, 7th of May. Yeah, good now. There we go.
NFT is nightmare for me. I trade like one time on NFT before and I blow my account.
Damn.
You're blowing your account?
Yeah, I trade like before on NFT.
Nice. This is not smart to do. But yeah, you learn from it, right?
Of course, that's why I wouldn't touch anything.
Gold about to go up. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna get in. The 30 didn't close the way I wanted it to close. Even as it's breaking their high right now, it's a bit of a nasty situation. You see this zone right here, 1940. If the candle closed stronger above 1840, then I would have taken it right now, based on breaking the high. But I think it's still going to continue up, but thing is that that 30-minute candle is just not strong enough in my opinion. If you look at how big it is, it's just 2 pips pretty much. It's only a 2-pip body, and the wick on top of it is a lot bigger than the body itself. So I see some sort of rejection. If you look at the previous one, you see some sort of rejection. Yes, the 4-hour might start flipping and continue moving further up, but do you want to be in a position where the chances are only 50%? Not really, right? So no, I don't look at the volume chart.
I think if GJ flips and breaks 850, I think it's good to go to at least 980.
Yeah, good to, yeah. But I'm not a fan of buys. I'm not a fan of buys. Gold's about to break up. Gold just broke up. Yeah, I'm staying out of this one. I don't care if it goes. If it goes, it goes. It just didn't close the way I wanted it to close. So, gonna stay out.
Ranging at the end of the day as well. So, and we have no confirmations of volume on gold.
I don't think it's ranging. If you look at the 1 hour time frame, it just made a new high, retesting, and then continue to move further up. Yeah, maybe on like the 15 or the 5-minute we're ranging. But I think we just...
Yeah, but the range is only 20 pips to that high, and so that's gonna might cause some issues. So I want to see like a really big bullish candle closing above that range, because that's going to indicate that there's volume, and it can the next candle can continue up to like...
Wait, which high do you mean? From where?
The resistance at 1821.
Okay, my target would have been this wick to the top.
Yeah.
So for me, it's 30 pip target. 4 hour is about to flipping right now. I think if you're in this, you should be good. Should be good, but for me, it's just I don't know, not the best setup. But if you're in right now, you should be around 5 pips profit. And I think if you start going towards 18, 20, 40, it's going to be your first take profit level and break even trigger level. But be careful for 1940.
Luke, I've got a question.
Yes.
If you are in the gold thread buy that you are pointing now, where would you put your stop loss at?
Yeah, that's the thing, because I didn't like the way it closed.
Okay.
But if I would have been in this trades, would have been at 1770.
I mean buys, guys.
For what? In what?
GJ.
Okay.
Close the 2 hour and 1 hour closed above the weekly.
Okay, makes sense.
So yeah.
I need the break of the 1 hour high.
Gonna push.
Yeah, I think it's very, very nice break and retest. The only thing is that I didn't like the way the 1 hour closed and the 30-minute. 1 hour closed small bearish, 30-minute closed weak bullish. But if this candle, this red candle, this bearish red candle, if that closed above 1847, made a top bottom wick, then I would have been in any day. But as I said before, you don't want 50% chances. And for me, this is not a range. For me, this is if you look on that 1 hour time frame, this is just a break and retest. This is a range for me. This. Now it just came back in here. We created a new range, but it's not consolidating. So
yeah, indeed.
Here it's consolidating. Here it's not.
Still up.
Yeah. So I'm waiting for that candle to close bullish and then retest the high. It made sense for that you guys waited for the bottom wick to retest 770 and then now continue moving further up.
All right.
Javon, hey, look, what do you think about my chart? Bias on GJ. Let's take a look. Wait, first let's take a look at this chart. It's an uptrend. This is bounced off the line from the resistance in the daily. Right. Two buys is kind of broke. Money. Okay. Okay, so this was a loss right here.
Yeah, I mean,
I think you should have waited, the person that's right here, waited for at least the candle close, or the way that the people are calling out the trades right now, to getting GJ, waiting for this candle to close, make a bottom wick, and then start flipping. That should have been a better entry, I think. I think it was a little bit too early, this trade. But nice setup. Just try and learn from it tonight or after the session. Just go over it like a couple hours after and see what you could have done better for yourself. Get a new chart in.
Go push. No.
Yeah, it's off to the top right here. Vice waiting for technical.
Frank, you in the GJ
Yeah.
buy? Okay, nice. I'm not in.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm looking for the same, but I'm already looking for sells below that 620 level. For me, buys are gonna be above, I think, 152.200. Targeting first, 152.400, or yeah, at least above this level right here. 4-hour resistance.
I got my 10 pips. Now I'm done.
Very nice.
Nice.
You got
Nice.
low entry.
Yeah, it's keep going. I'm not gonna close yet. I want 100 pips.
man's holding for the rest of the year.
Yeah, that's my rule. Like weekly broke, close above 1 hour, 2 hour candle. Yes, that's it. This weekly is trying to close above that zone, maybe to continue going up next week.
Yes.
So let's see.
Pretty nice. Pretty nice. I think gold should be pushing up further too for the people that took the chance. 5-minute close bearish, just broke the high. I think you should definitely be able to go up to 820.40.
I mean, where's the volume?
There you go,
London
that's
open.
840. That would have been your first target if you were in this trade. Yesterday.
Where's the volume for London open? It's being absorbed by this disgusting 4-hour range, I think.
Yeah.
Look at gold. If I took that gold trade, I would have been in at probably 30. That would have been 10 pips now. But it is what it is, because the only reason I didn't get in is because all these candles didn't close the way I want. And what I said before, there's a 50-50 chance. It's gambling. So if this closed stronger and broke the high, then my entry would have been there. But for the people that did take the chance and did still take it, even though I didn't take it, very good job. Very, very good job. No emotions. 0. Trust. Christian Bashov. Please look at my USDZR idea. Oh, wait.
I mean, yeah, GJ has not moved lately. Like, Frankfurt open, nothing. London open.
Or here. Yeah, I think you could do that. So it's kind of below there, but I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't know about this entire pair too. Are even these markets open for this pair? Like
USDR.
GG.
Oh wow.
Struggling.
Yeah.
It's daily.
I heard there was a time in market fluidity where everybody started trading USDR because it moved so fast, and they all lost money.
Really? Let's take a look at this chart. Clean traffic from close above. Good entry once it broke the high. Why didn't you get in on the candle close itself? I mean, when it made the bottom wick and then went back up, I think that should have been your entry already. Even though you secured 11 pips, I think you could have entered way below. Or even once the highs got broken right here, because there's a support. This is what I mean on Impulsive. This is how I would take an Impulsive entry. Let me annotate this real quick. Let me get this box. Here is a new support form right there. Here you got the resistance. Here you got this rejection line up right here. Candle close bullish. All these wicks are at the same point. So what I would have done is, once it fully got broken, I would have targeted this level to the left for the first 10 pips, and then continued moving further up towards the top of this zone all the way up to here. This is how I would have taken an Impulsive entry if this was 9 o'clock London open, or at least where London market is open itself. But that's how I would have taken the Impulsive, an Impulsive trade right there, based on 30-minute time frame. Like, I don't see how the 15 closed, but based on a 30-minute, that's how I would have taken the Impulsive entry right here from the bottom.
Okay. Okay, GG.
Hey, nice.
Okay.
Oh, damn. It's going.
Okay.
Come on.
I'll take that.
Ooh, about
My
to hit.
I'll take that. I'll take
the
that.
targets. Very nice.
Thank you,
Nice.
GJ. Thank you, GJ. Thank you. Bye bye.
Oh, well done.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye bye. I told you what I was looking for. Buys above 850. I secured 9 pips, and then I'm done for the Friday.
Very nice. You did full position.
Very nice.
No, 50%, bro. It's Friday, man. It's NFP day. Like, there's no way I'm risking that. You know?
Well,
no way I'm risking
if
that.
you followed the gold trade worked out as well. Very nice.
Yeah. I paid attention when he was talking. Yeah.
16 pips.
The only reason I didn't take it because that 1 hour and 30 minutes just wasn't strong enough for me.
But you know, I saw Raja taking the exact same trade. You see when the 30-minute closed bullish, but like a weak bullish, but he still followed the trend and you took a bias. And I think you should have taken a bias, like for example, on the 5-minute once you break the highs.
Which one do you mean? What do you mean? Say that again? I missed it.
So if you see, let me look at the chart. Yeah, so yeah, that was your cross. So once the 30-minute candle closed, what was the time? 9:30. So let me go on the 5-minute. Yeah, so I think 10 o'clock candle. Sorry, 8 o'clock candle for me. So it was gonna be so this candle
one,
because you see
true.
on the 5-minute, it broke the structure on the 5-minute, created the new high, and then it came back and retested that level once again.
True. Very. That was a good option.
Yeah, so he created the high low, but he already made the new high. He made the already new higher high inside the 5-minute structure.
True, yeah.
And then, you know, once that, I think 1860, I think that was a zone for you to take good buys. Anticipating
or above this 15-minute resistance right here. Then you took the buys. But the only reason I didn't take it because this 30-minute candle is only 2 pips. This 1 hour candle closed bearish with rejection. So and now I want the best possible setup, you know. This could have been a trade, and I talked about it a lot. But the thing is that it's just sometimes on a Friday you don't want to risk that biscuit. Like on a normal day, I would have taken it anyways.
Yeah, today is like it's really tricky.
And
to
if
be
P
honest.
too,
It's
there's
NFT,
NFP,
man.
so yeah, so there's a lot of things
You're
need
just
to
sort of
have in mind.
afraid to take a trade, man. Like,
No, not really. No, just I just want to be in the best possible position.
yeah, but that's what I'm trying to say. You know, you're really cautious in terms of how the market moves and what it creates and so on and so forth. So you know, if it doesn't create what you want to see, you don't want to take, right?
Exactly.
And it doesn't matter if you miss or you like, you know, you don't get a trade.
Exactly. Like I miss it now, but it is what it is. You know, it is what it is. I mean, the idea overall, the buy is played out, and that's the most important thing right now.
Oh yeah, 100%. Because then you can do the same thing and implement that on the next time.
Exactly. So that's what I think is important. I know what I was looking at, and I know what was going to happen. But the only way is how it's going to happen is always a little bit more, you know, questioning.
Mate.
Sorry, guys. So I think I ended up with half a percent loss on a gold trade. But I'm a little bit frustrated with how I handled it because no candle lows were broken. Not a single one. Obviously on the 5 minute they were, but all the 15 minutes just respected the lows.
But did you close the full position?
I've basically closed like about 75%. So I would have lost like, I don't know, obviously if I didn't hold on and I just closed, I would have lost more. But
okay.
But I didn't lose, so I didn't lose as much, I guess. I probably would have lost like £8 if I had just closed everything. But I'm in this Usdjpy as well, so
very nice.
See how this one plays out.
You in Usdjpy?
Yeah, I took it as it broke the 1 hour high.
Oh yeah, good man. That was anticipated because I was questioning myself. Okay, we already tested that 4 hour resistance, right? Which was a 7 o'clock candle for us, even.
Mm-hmm.
And then we rejected that zone. But then the next half an hour came up and closed above 800. And what's the probability of us breaking that 850 zone once again? Instead of retesting it, but just breaking through. And we got London volume. Obviously, first 10 minutes of London volume was like, what am I doing here? Why am I in this trade?
Yeah.
Because it didn't move at all. Like, it's just up and down 1 pip, 2 pips. So, but then it just shot, like literally 8:15, it just shot straight away. No, not 8:15. I think it was the last minute, right? Yeah, it's the 8:14 candle was the last minute when he shot 9 pips in 1 minute. But yeah, good week though. Really patient with the trades. Frank, all winners this week?
No, I'm still in. Haven't
still
secured
in?
any. Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I'm aiming for 962.
Oh, you're aiming for 10 pips, exactly.
Yeah, me too, Frank.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, it's a really tricky zone we at now, so that's why I took off. But just keep it. Remember the last time.
Yeah. Hey, the first day of this month, I didn't listen to my plan. It shot me in the foot a bit. So I just I know, and for the long run, like this like 1 month of plan is not the best, but it's going to help me for the long run. So I'm just sticking at it, and yeah.
Yeah, of course. But I think you can be break even now because you've been 9 pips profit, no?
No. It's not in my plan. If in June I'll 100% do that and be securing like earlier and stuff like that. But I want to learn to like accept also my losses, like not overmanage because I'm scared of losing. So just not being scared of losing. And also like it just, for me, it's if I start securing like 4 or 5 pips, then it doesn't make sense. And here, the structure, like for me, it just on the 1 hour, how the 15-minute closed, like it has to still keep going up, at least to make like a little touch up there again. And if it doesn't, then I lose, and then I stick to my plan.
Yeah, because like 920, it's a 1 hour resistance, right? And it's a strong resistance. So, you know, it needs a lot of volume to break that, like burst that through, you know? And well, I mean, not just going to break even, but I would say maybe close, you know, 50%, at least minimize your loss in case or something. Well, you know, it's just my sort of opinion in regards to that.
No, true. I mean, next month I'm doing that plan. But for now, it's just like I'm sticking to this. Like for me, the 30-minute candle it has clear ranges. So if I lose, I lose. Oh well. I mean, it
makes sense. 100%, it makes sense. But then, like, if this 30-minute doesn't close above 4 hour resistance, I don't know then, man.
Then it is what it is.
Yeah, he needs to close. This 30-minute needs to close at least above the 4 hour resistance.
I bet buyer nothing. No, what? This man.
It's what it is.
And like my student took the same trade. I love it. Oh, I just love it. Well done. I think as he's watching the stream as well. My students are watching your stream, Luke.
Really?
All the time. Yeah, really? Yeah. Just told them just go and listen to.
So any Lithuanian guys or girls in here that want to have a good mentor to mentor them with a course and just with feedback constantly every single day, there's this guy. He's called Augustus, and this guy is a pretty good trader, and he's doing this course fully. Oh, I already have that one right here. He's doing this course fully in Lithuanian language. So for the people that speak that language, follow this guy. I put his name in the YouTube chat, and he does everything in Lithuanian for the people that don't understand English that much. So follow this guy if you're interested. I'll put his name of Instagram name in the YouTube chat. There you go. So.
Thank you, bro. I'm gonna need to pay you for the marketing, you know. Flipping out those ads is just pushing. Thank you, appreciate it.
Perfect. So look at that level. Look at my levels, man. Look at that.
But level. Yeah, I told my students just like go watch Luke's streams, because you're gonna get some free knowledge, honestly. Like just on a daily basis, man. For 2.5 hours while you're eating your breakfast, that's the best thing to do.
Exactly. You know it.
And also, a thing I've noticed, like, that has been tricking me a lot is not waiting. When, like, I don't do it anymore, but, like, if you're managing, like, wait for the candles to close as much as possible. Because, like, here it's just, like, you get FOMO once it comes down, up, down, and the candle actually closes very nice after, and you're already taken off, like, 50, 75, and then it hits TP and you have nothing.
No, so that's what I said. Just maybe then wait for this 30-minute candle to close, you know?
No, 100%, yeah.
Because we had the 4 hour resistance, which is a strong level, as well as this candle is rejecting 920 1 hour resistance. So just, you know, sort of like keep those key levels in back of your mind, but then obviously follow the price action of how it's closing.
Very nice, man. Took a sell. I think it's a little bit dangerous situation right here, but if it worked out, it went down, so I think it's a little bit dangerous. Hey, look, just taking a GBP AUD buys. Could you please take a look? Consider my chart, your magic. You're already in it, man, but you know it. Come on, man. Told you before.
Yeah, I'm just going to wait for the 30-minute to close and seeing how it closed. Then, like, if it closes bearish, then it's
he did exactly what I said about the impulsive entry on GBP AUD. This is how I would have taken the impulsive entry. I don't know if this is all real, but if it's real, it's pretty good. Yeah, pretty good. Exactly. Do you use signals to go further, confirm your trades? No, I don't use any signals, man. No signals, just clean charts, naked charts. was into Forex trading a couple weeks ago. But like, I have learned a lot so far. Question: how long would you suggest one works on demo before I open the live trading account? Right now, man. Open it right now. Come on. Open it. Just put $100 in. Start trading 0.02, 0.3, 0.03 lots, and just start to learn how to manage risk. How to manage risk. How to lose as less as possible as you can, and create bigger wins than normal. I think you quit the demo thing, man. Quit that demo thing. It's all bullshit. Quit the demo thing and then just jump over to the 0.03 cents. Because the reason why I say 0.03 is because you're able to take off percentages. You're able to take off once the trade isn't going in your direction, and learn how to manage that risk, and you know, also be able to leave runners run. Hey, look, do you use Fibonacci? No, I don't use Fibonacci, man. I already said just a second ago I don't use any indicators. No indicators. Yes, it's nice. I think on gold, best thing to do is see a support created above here and then a breakout, and then expect price to go to 24, 25, 60. Shit. I'm gonna say that hello, but you forgot my chart again. Anyway, next weekend, guys. In a Monday, I have to go to class right now. Yeah, no problem. I get so many charts, so there's gonna be charts that I miss. What time frame do you rely on most? 30-minute and 1 hour time frame. On gold, a little bit more 15 too. And 5 minutes sometimes. Perfect global fusion. Look, what's up, mate? Can you have a look at my charts? Participate in the Magic Keys giveaway. Man, like IFCA. Let's take a look. IFCA FX. I'm expecting something from you, bro. You got FX in the name. I'm expecting to have a master chart right here. Don't disappoint me. Okay. Gotta give you this one. You did some effort. It's not the biggest, but you did some effort. So let's take a look. No trade range. Okay. Clean traffic, 24 pip range. Sells below 380. Potential buys above 780. I think you should have, if your potential buys were above 780, I think you should have been in based on that 1 hour close. When after it made a week down. So pretty good, man. Pretty good. You're participating, definitely. IFCA FX. Let's put you on the leaderboard. Pretty clean. Yeah, I can read it for yourself good as well. So there you go. Alex Rose, I got my win for the day and calling it a day. Thank you for what you do for that. Yeah, no problem, man. Perfect. Albano Z, I'll take a quick look at your chart. When we broke on this consolidation range. Yeah, there. High.
Frank, I think you Gucci.
We'll see.
Gucci. Waiting for it to support the form and the price. Yeah, I had the same thing. But the only reason I didn't take it is because the 30-minute is weak. But what I could have also anticipated in this move is that this candle got weaker bearish. This candle turned bullish. So I think at the end of the day I still could have taken it, but it was a lower chance of actually winning the trade. But I think I could have taken it anyways. Alex Rose, before I leave, Got to leave a fat like on the stream for the stream. Yeah. Perfect. Thank you, man. Let's put some new song on.
Yes, Frank. Let's go.
Go.
The thing too is now that
run.
I'm trying to like really just be detached emotionally to the trade.
Of course, yeah.
That's like if I lose, then I lose. If I win, then I win. It's like it doesn't matter because like overall, like I'm still working at it, but I do think like my entries are on point. Like it's just like the setups I take are higher probability to work out than to not work out. So now it's just having that confidence that over time, like the account is going to grow.
Yeah, 100%. I mean, from this kind of perspective, we closed above 850. That's a 4-hour resistance level, and 30-minute closed above that zone. So I think it's quite good confirmation, right? It's quite strong. Like the hourly hasn't closed yet, but I mean, if the 30-minute closed above that, that's quite strong for us to at least fill the wick and maybe push a little bit higher to 980 sort of level.
Yeah, I mean,
around
my
zone.
TP is 962.
Yeah, so you was like 1 pip away, wasn't you?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. But yeah, well done for trusting yourself. I think that's really important.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter if you even comes back again, then but you trusted yourself for wait for the confirmation of like candle closing above or below.
Also give it time to play out.
Yeah, that's the thing.
Man.
Very good. I think this month's gonna help you a lot, based on what you say too.
Yeah, I mean it's not for the long term. Like for the long term, like this plan is not good. I know it. There's like no risk management pretty much. And like I'm not cutting any losses short. But I'm learning to actually be comfortable with losing and just like be comfortable also holding and just trusting myself. Like once I get in the trade, I have to trust myself. And that's the thing that it's really that I struggled a bit in the past, and that this plan is really going to help me with.
I almost have no emotions.
Zero.
Yeah.
Man's like emotionless. Man like Najim. He's like, we're 60 pips down. No, we're gonna go up, guys.
Yeah, I had like.
He just doesn't care, man. He sells and buys at the same time, and it works out.
Yeah, like before I enter the trade, I want to see where I can get out if I was wrong. So the 1 hour closed above that weekly. I was out like before by accident on GJ, like break even, but I was waiting to see what happened. I see 1 hour close above. I said, okay, buys are there now.
Yeah, pretty good option.
Man like
Najim right here. Man
Yeah,
like
as soon as
Najim.
you know what you're waiting for and what you want to see, to get out and 100%. To get in, like you should not have emotions. I mean, like still have emotions, but not that much.
One
like,
second.
Nothing.
1 second. I'll be right back. Like 1 minute.
Man, but Najim, I mean, it's just you trying to let the price action do the thing, instead of you panicking, or if it's like going down, going up, but until the candle is closed, nothing is confirmed.
Yeah, true.
So
I used to stick like to only sells or buys, but now I'm trying to like trade what I see.
Yeah.
Based on the high time frame zones. So yeah.
I mean, before, for me personally, I was just looking for the sells most of the time.
Yeah, me too. I was in sales actually,
But I mean, in general, when I came to trading, I was like, my first, psychological thing was like, okay, I need to sell to make money, right? That's like that psychology barrier comes into that if you sell, you get money. And I was like, most of the time I was looking for the sells on the charts. But even today, I was looking for the sells. But then once the structure got broken and we closed above 800 level, I was like, okay, sells are off.
Yes, true. Exactly.
Because for the sells, I was looking that 250 level was a daily resistance. So I just
want
to see some
back,
weekly,
also
weekly. It's a daily and weekly.
Yeah. So, it was a really important level,
Yeah.
Let's see, man like Jordan send in chart. This chart, it's pretty good. It's a safer option again, what I said before. There you go. Ooh. Man's in Usdjpy is entry after formed the lower wick and open. Very good chart, I like it, man. Good chart, good job. Lots of people on the stream took this one too. So very, very nice. Let me put this one on the leaderboard.
Yeah, I think it's gonna take off.
Man, like Jordan.
You still in, Frank?
Yeah.
Nice holding today, huh? Very nice.
Hold for NFP as well, Frank.
Spartacus, I just subscribed. Good content here. Thank you, man. Could you please give me feedback on my journal? Thanks.
Man, like Frank.
So Frank, what's your new plan? You know, for this month, what is it?
It's TP or stop loss.
Oh, it's flying.
Okay.
Man's in. Man, like
It's not a bad
Frank.
plan, to be honest.
Man's holding.
It's like today, if I wouldn't have managed my trade, I'd be up 2%. But I've managed it, I'm down.
Yeah.
Overall, it will help you, I think, but it's like the hardest thing to do, and that's why I've created this plan for just this month, and after, like, the whole thing is to see like how I properly lose, and after to see how I can reduce that and make a plan around that. Because what I've noticed in the past is I take, like, my wins are inconsistent a bit, or how I take the wins, and like my loss, like, no, it's not explained good, but like my losses, like some losses could have been like I shouldn't have taken those losses. Don't know if that makes sense. And so it's really that I'm going to try and
this chart is pretty good, by the way. When I finish the chart real quick, I think you did pretty well because you got out of break even with the last 5%. Just look left and look what our normal target levels. If you look maybe inside this range, you see a little bit of a rejection zone inside here too. So it makes sense that you secured some profits.
Like, now looking at it, I just want a 15-minute close above resistance. So above 917, and then I think it's still good to go up.
Boys, you know what's the day today?
It's Friday, Saturday,
It's
Sunday.
Friday day.
Fuck the weekend.
Gonna be boring again.
Boring.
Yeah, till NFP, boys.
Man, like John sent in the chart. We didn't have any music today. Is Ricardo still in, or did he leave? Let's see. I think he left already. Oh, we got music next time. Waiting for a close.
DJ is playing with my feelings.
Okay.
Teasing me.
I think we're good.
Yeah.
The 5 minutes made the support at the daily.
Yeah, the 5-minute closed above the previous one, so yeah, like 916, so that's already good.
Gold's gonna move.
I mean, just do the move, GJ.
Just do
it.
I swear, I'm 941 and my TP is 962.
Yeah, man, like circle. Boring ass weekend. Oh, wait. Well, my weekends aren't boring, but I'd rather just want a trading day. And the weekend, let me just trade. Hell out of here with the weekend. I don't need no weekend. Pretty big chart. Hi. Hello, from resistance. I don't know what the hell this means. RMB, QMM30, whatever that means. I got no idea. I don't know what your plan is right here. To be honest with you, I got no idea what your plan is. So back on. I already looked at it. Man like NT. Oh wait, there's a new one. Hopefully this is the plan. And I gotta know a bit more about the plan, man. I think this when this 30-minute candle closed bullish on gold above 1940, that could have been a good option. Once it wicked down and started wicking back up, breaking its own high. But you just gotta be careful for this candle to the left. But you're expecting price to just push up to 21 if you're in this. Yeah, I got no idea what this is, man. I got no idea what this is. I don't trade no whatever lines I see right here. Hey, look, please check out my chart on DJ. Yeah, man, let's take a look. Ooh, he took the buys as well. Buys from 853. They've probably hit 10 pips by now, I think. Let me change the camera. There's 50-minute candle. Back to 3.
One more pip, come on. Jesus.
And
a whole hour.
Pips and it'll go flying. It'll just jump to 20 or something.
You know, it's GTA last 5 minutes of the 1 hour. Then it's gonna go.
And then it's gonna come back. Say hi, how are you doing?
It just tickles the TP and then just leaves.
Gonna be like, oh, you're still in the trade. Nice.
Come here. I was looking for you.
I just want at least a close like bullish, like above. So the 15-minute close above resistance.
In this last 1 minute.
It could do the push. I mean, GJ does push in the last 10 seconds. I mean,
yeah. Or the first 10 seconds of the next candle.
Yeah, that too.
Yes, sir.
It should.
When is the giveaway? Look, Saturday or Sunday on Instagram. I think it's best to do. Ooh, question. Sunday night or Saturday night? I'll let you guys know at the end of this session.
Well, it's looking good for you, Frank. But I just need that 15 minutes to close above. And it's done now. Oh, I got gapped as well.
Don't know.
1 pip, Frank? 1 pip? Come on, squeeze that, man.
Yeah, there you go.
Come on. Hey.
Not yet.
9.9.
Whoa,
oh my
what's
God.
going on here? Someone is talking real weird. What the hell happened?
Oh, it's muted. I closed it. It's Friday. The no bottom wick. I don't. Whatever.
You ain't that level of the gym.
You're scared now, bro.
No, but a little bit, yeah. But it's like Friday. I don't want to be in the trade anymore. It's like, and I would have had a bottom wick on the 15. I would have said let's go, but like the no bottom wick on the 5. I just don't want to be in.
Yeah,
man.
It's a
Frank,
lot.
that's probably the longest trade you've been in. 45 minutes.
Yeah.
TzRzetHz, very nice chart. I think you're already on the leaderboard from before. Oh, I don't know. I'll put it up again. TzRzetHz, turn it down. Let's put you up. There you go. And then look at another chart.
Like it literally came to 9:59 and my TP is 9:62.
See what this chart is
But
about.
hey, it's a win. Not going to complain.
Win is a win, right?
Exactly.
Let's take a look at this chart real quick.
Push, don't make bottom week, just push.
Wait,
I have
is the same one.
TP1 at 989.
Oh yeah, that makes sense. That's the resistance.
Yeah.
Ooh, frags, TP
There
got
you
hit.
go, TP.
No, but I'm already out just before.
Ooh,
Yeah, I know,
very
I know.
nice.
But just to tease you a little bit.
It was a bit
Yeah,
of a pussy
exactly.
move. No.
No, it was.
Joke.
Honestly,
it was.
it was. No, it was. But hey, it's Friday. It would have been another day, or like for me, like it's still like it's
Well,
micro pips and whatever.
You're trying to hold. Yeah, it's good. Little by little.
Yeah, that was a long trade, 5 minutes. Oh.
Yeah, 45 minutes, man.
It came. I mean, I was back in drawdown after seeing my TP almost got like getting hit.
Look for this.
But it was a minor, wasn't it? Like 1 pip drawdown.
My entry was
860.
859.
Okay. So why 862? Because of a spread? Commission?
Because no, I have my stop loss at it was at wait, let me calculate. It was at 965. So I want my trades always to be in a 1.1.
Najim.
Yeah.
You're still in full margin.
I'm still in, yeah.
Full margin.
Nah. Just small lot size there.
You know, Najim, you might close, you know, because it was like just 1 pip away from you to take profit.
Yeah. You scared?
I'm scared. I'm going to close now. As soon as we are above that weekly, good. I'm good.
You're going to hold this for the entire next week, aren't you?
No. I don't think so.
Frank, well done, man. Well done.
Thank you.
Ooh, good chart from Phoenix. Rare talents. Put you up on the leaderboard before I'm going to read it.
So yeah, it was a good week.
Very nice.
Amazing week, man.
Like Monday I broke my rules, didn't trust in myself, so I still got a win, but not the win I should have got. Tuesday, perfect trade.
Wait, sorry, you traded on bank holiday?
No, that was 2 days. So Monday didn't trade. Tuesday we took the same trade, and like I got out when I said like I didn't hold it, even though, and it would have worked out, but still took a win. So, and after Wednesday, I think
we had the trade on Wednesday, Vice.
Yeah, Wednesday was a very nice trade. We had that trade on Wednesday, exactly.
Yeah.
So yesterday, no trade. Today, I actually took a sell, a stupid one. I'm not going to cap. I took a stupid. I didn't call it because I knew it was stupid, and it's just it was a very stupid mistake of myself. Like it was when it was going to. It came back at supports. It was very stupid. Like I knew it, but it was like I stuck to my plan. I didn't close it. I took the loss. I didn't revenge trade, so that I was very happy with that. Like I kept my emotions aside, waited for this buy, and it worked out.
So what was your sell, Frank? So I can try to process your mind of what was.
So what I was looking at, it was like on the 30 minutes with the no wick.
Oh, you mean once the rejection happened?
Yeah, the big rejection, exactly. And I was like, I put my stop loss at the 30-minute resistance, and I was like, okay, this is going to go back down. And because the 15 made a bottom wick, a top wick, I took it once it broke its bottom wick again. But it was very stupid because there was no structure in the stop loss. It was like at a resistance, but it didn't make sense, and it was very stupid. And but
because you sold because that was like you literally sold into a 15-minute resistance.
Yeah, no, it was stupid. But the good thing, like what I'm really happy about today, is that I took that loss and I didn't don't know how the language barrier, sorry, but yeah, I took the loss and I was able to calm down and just okay, if another opportunity comes by, then I'll take it and execute on that.
Well done anyways.
But yeah, I mean, the week is in profit.
Yeah, I had the same thing, Frank. So obviously I had my little mishap on gold, and then saw obviously the GJ setup. And to be honest, I'm gonna do what you did, Frank. I'm not gonna start closing my trades because today, like, I closed a lot of my trade when it came back to break even. I closed the majority of it, and then obviously it went to TP.
I mean, yeah, I mean, for me, it's my plan, but
you can always close 50 and leave 50 like I do. Like
Najim.
Yeah.
About to hit TP, right?
TP1, yeah.
Then TP2 is all the way up here.
Yeah.
Man's holding it. He doesn't give a fuck.
Yeah. Break even, so don't get TP1 smashed. 20 pips.
You know the vibe.
Najim with that hold.
Najim is different. Man's
is different, savage.
It is what it is.
Yeah, but everyone's is just taking sells, you know, at this level. So,
yo, for the people that are in here right now, give me 1 second. Need to show you guys something. Like for real, I need to show you something. No joke. Where did that get sent? Search it.
Yeah, like trading, I mean, just to add a bit on that, I mean, like 80% is the psychology, and like holding, closing, that's like where all the money is actually made, and that's the hardest part. I feel like.
Yeah, I agree.
Najim.
Yeah.
Send me the link of your YouTube for a second.
Oh. Okay. Over here or?
No, you WhatsApp.
Give me 1 second.
WhatsApp it, fam. Where is it? Send it, man. Come on.
Trying to find the. Yeah. I sent it in the group.
Oh, perfect. Go. So, guys, man like Najim made a small YouTube channel. He hasn't posted anything, but man's gonna post some things later on. So, if you guys could give a subscribe to this channel, there's gonna be lots of value on this channel. Let me subscribe to it real quick too. You know the vibe. So get this to 100 by today. Drop it.
Thank you.
Drop the bomb. Man like Najim, he's been in the stream since the beginning as well. He's a master in supply, demand, and some other types of styles as well. So if you want to learn stuff like that, just give this guy a subscription and follow the things he's gonna post on it.
Yeah, I'm gonna post some videos on it soon.
Yes.
Thank you.
No problem, man.
Najim's a savage. I mean, if you look at the wick, you know that Najim's in it.
Najim is the wick trader. He's the wizard as well. Wizard wick trader. Man's different. Different breed. See? Can we push it? 60. You're already doubling up, man.
Oh yeah?
Let's get this man to 100 today. Let's get this man to 100 today. We got 340 people in, so we at least got to make it to 100, right? The link is in the chat. The link is in the chat. Drop that thing. DJ is grinding higher for 152.25. Yeah, maybe, yeah. Amelia Drake. This is what I'm looking for on GJ right now. Could you please take a look? Yeah, sure. Let me take a quick look, you know. This chart was pretty good too. Lean traffic left, looking for buys above 240. Yeah, I would do the same thing. It's a Friday. Want to be a little bit more careful. I would look at the same sells just a little bit higher. I would look for sells at 620, but pretty good. I would really look for buys above that 4-hour level, daily level, and then continue moving further up to your targets right there. Yeah, pretty good. I like this chart. You're going to be put into the Magic Keys giveaway competition. Man, like Najim, what are the numbers telling you right now?
89.
Yeet. It's flying. You know, tripled.
Yeah. Thank you, guys.
Nah, Najim is the beast in swings, guys. Like that's the best guy I know. He's in a chat every time, and the way that he swings, whew.
Different. Somebody.
He took yesterday 50 pips on interest rates, didn't you, Najim?
Yeah, I took that sells in DJ when it dropped. It took me. It hit my TP 57 pips. And then it rejected all the way up. I was laughing. It was like, oh my god.
It is what it is.
Yeah. It was crazy, man.
How come traders use black background? Isn't it difficult to see? No, I think it's better because it's morning as well.
It's plain.
Yeah, it's plain. White is like boom in your face. I don't know.
Luke, did you have your breakfast?
Yeah, 2 mandarins already, and after this I'm gonna make the other thing. But I'm still drinking some more lemon water right now.
Good job.
You know the vibe. Gonna make, I think, 4 eggs with some veggies and
Well done, man.
Thank you.
Step by step.
Yeah, man. I'm pretty good. Yeah, who knows? Hey, yeah. Super Ahmed, let me take a look at your chart, fam. Man, like CBR. Let me check this thing out. $1 target. Dogecoin. My man, he took a savage entry right there. Yeah. Some resistance. New high, retrace to this level. Yeah, I think it should be good, especially once you start closing above there. You can just, you're gonna be a millionaire soon if you have enough. Yeah, I just like a black background. For me, that's a lot better. At least. Bro, this is flying. I didn't make a trade on this one today, but I made some good money with a coin. There's a high NFP in USD. It depends. The forecast, I think, as well.
We're missing Nick for the past few days.
Yeah, man, he's been playing games, I think.
Hide and seek in that.
Yeah. I think the lower the number, the better, I think. But... Moon, yeah, man. Moon. Probably gonna stream for another 10-15 minutes so we see what this 15 does on gold. So that the gold is closing against this level right here.
Gold is a very, very strong zone right there. It's a weekly, monthly, right? And we have in the bottom another weekly. So I'm waiting for it to break one of them up or down.
Yeah.
And close. Let's see if we get this runner going up.
You know it. Oh, damn.
Very nice.
What was your second target again?
My second target is at the, let me see, 152 to 17.
Oh, yeah. Those wicks there.
Yeah.
The
About
next
23 pips. I don't think that that's it. I might close half of that and leave. Maybe we break this time. Who knows?
Yeah. Makes sense. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. We're about to hit 6,100. For the people that haven't subscribed yet. Yeah, pretty interesting session today. Bull did some movement, GJ did some movement. I thought GJ was gonna go down, but
I think everybody thought that.
Yeah, I was looking for sales too.
Lying.
Below that weekly zone, but as we break above, I said sales are gone.
Yeah, but now if it starts breaking like the 52 levels, like all those wicks, then for like the daily would then close bullish and above resistance, and then for next week we should, like Augustus says, go and retest like 153. Sorry.
Yeah, but wanna see daily above 152 or 100.
Yeah,
I think that would be like a reasonable closure, because that would be sort of above this whole noise, that we have to the left.
Yeah, to fill that wick.
Yeah. To fill, like that would be the first target, to fill that wick at least. But then eventually, obviously, you want to fill the whole range to the weekly to 153, which makes sense on the structure wise.
Yes, Sabir, you're in the Magic Keys giveaway. Just put you in. Perfect.
Because we so much thinking of we looked in the gym yesterday, like we have a quarter resistance, and it makes sense for the monthly to come down, make a bottom wick. But when you trade the price action, and it just shows you and tells you what to do, right?
Yeah.
So you don't gonna just sell because you have a quarter resistance there,
Yeah, true.
As Joseph Burns said, I don't trade predictions, I trade price action. So
exactly.
That's the most important thing. People are predicting too much.
That's why we took those buys. Like, even though we had a sell bias coming in, like price action was showing us otherwise, so we executed on buys.
Yeah, 100%. Even the gym was like, I'm thinking of sells, so.
Yeah.
But you had sales, but I think you closed them when you saw the 1 hour close, no?
Yeah, I closed my sales by accident before going up.
Yeah. You were just scared.
Actually, I was like ready to close it if I see like a big move or something, but I pushed it by accident. I said, "Oh my god, maybe it's a good thing because it was going up."
The crystal ball was showing buys.
Yeah, and then I saw that 1 hour closing above, and said, "Okay, that's good." Well, and it came down to retest that zone. I got in right there.
Yo, Najim, you're about to touch 100. 3 left.
Let me see.
Come on, guys, put the other 3 in. Let me put it in the link. Put in the link in the chat. 3 more. Press that ting. We got more than 300 people in, so we.
97.
Yo, I'm starting hungry because of the lemon water ting, man.
Yes, sir. That's the thing. You fire up your little engine inside.
Yeah, man. Boom, boom, boom.
starts revving.
Did we hit it yet? Come on. Yes, there we go. 100 hit. Man, letting achieve.
Oh, nice. Thank you.
Faster than me. I hit the 100. It took a pretty long time before I did it.
But bro, we're already at 6.6k.
1k.
Like the
6.1k.
Wait, what? What? I was like 6.6. I refreshed.
No,
okay.
you saw 6.06.
Yeah, 6.0. Yeah, sorry.
Yeah, we're about to hit 6.1k. 8 left, so press that button if you're not subscribed yet.
The channel is flying.
Yeah, it's flying. 10k incoming, coming in. We already made that 4k before, so should be able to make that 4k now as well.
Luke, I think you should be proud of yourself with the growth
100%.
that we had. It's amazing, man. I'm just looking back like 2.5 months ago, man.
Yeah.
Man sitting at 2 viewers on YouTube, and because everyone's on Zoom, you know, like 17 people subscribed, and then 2 months after you see this such a growth.
We're still sending the YouTube link into the Zoom to get likes. Yeah, man.
It's lovely, man. Like that's the thing, the progress and the whole idea of the road to success is just like that.
And if you look as well, we didn't skip a day. There's only maybe one day that we skipped that they had to go somewhere, but every single day, same time, always 8 minutes late, but at the same time, every single day doing the same thing for providing the value and seeing that growth. And then, we got that little bump by Q, went up from around 250 to 400 and then to 900. And since that 900 level, we just started to grow by ourselves and grow really, really fast. So, the 100. Hi, Luke, is that true that strategies can eventually stop working? Nah, it depends. If you have really weird strategies on some really deep stuff, yeah, then maybe. But all the basic price action, not really. But yeah, Gus's, it's crazy. It's 6.1k. I was like, if we hit between 1,000 or 5,000 this year, that would be amazing. We're 2 months later, we got 6.1k.
I was thinking, we might reach to the 1,000 level and be like, it's still gonna be like a huge push up, right? And eventually, such a startup over YouTube.
Yeah.
But then it skyrocketed, man. I was just looking every day, 500 extra subscribers. Like, man, what is going on?
If you look at the views, the most live views we had were around nearly 900 people live viewing us.
Really?
Yes.
Yeah, that was in
people in New York.
Was in New York? Yeah, New York.
And we sometimes even had days a couple of weeks ago where we had 800 people watching on the London session. I had 780 people or 812 or something watching the London session once.
Wow.
So it's been absolutely mad, crazy. Now we're slowing down a little bit and then just creating that support thing, and then we're gonna go back up after. It's price action in the way going up and down. So you can expect those small dips. Now we're hanging around 300-400 people watching live constantly, and then we're gonna go back
that's
up
amazing.
after.
That's still
Bro,
amazing.
300-400 people. That's a lot of people. If you put them in one
That's
room,
loyal
300, yeah, loyal people. If you put those 300-400 people in one room, that's a lot of people right there.
That is huge, yeah, man. Honestly, you should be proud. And thank you guys for helping to reach that for Luke, man.
Thank you guys a lot.
The thing, that's how I see it, is, we maybe not on Wakil's level, we're not I'm not. I'll maybe be talking, but for me, I'm not the best trader, 100%. There's better traders out there, 100%. But the thing with this stream is just the vibe and everybody just talking, the conversation, and just family. It feels like you just with friends. Yeah, exactly. Just with friends, just trading and having a good time. And that's what's the coolest thing about the stream. It's just everybody's here sharing stuff, learning from each other, and just everybody helps each other grow.
We got the choo-choo songs sometimes.
Yeah, but for example, 2.5 months ago, nobody knew about each other, right? We just talking on the Slack, okay,
messaging,
just messaging and everything.
And then man, Luke comes hey man, we're gonna start the Zoom things, and then from the Zoom came the YouTube, and then
Yeah, Luke,
you put everybody together.
Such a good
Sorry.
idea.
Yep. Yeah.
Like just that, even just creating the Zoom itself.
The Zoom was based on people talking smack, and I was like, let's get rid of this because if I'm gonna start a Zoom, no one's gonna talk smack. And then really quick after, I was like, let's start the YouTube thing, and then
it was a bit negativity in there, just coming like that.
A bit, that was a lot.
Yeah, because people sharing the ideas, and the other guy is just diminishing those ideas because he thinks differently, and I'm like thinking, okay, that's not okay. Like that's not right.
That's definitely not right.
Because nobody knows. That's the thing. I mean, you can have the best
idea.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, people would get aggressive.
Aggressive. They were about to take a flight to smack the other guy. Like that's how aggressive they were. So I was like, this. And the thing is, I was in that chat for a very long time before all that happened. So I had different situations where everyone was nice and always supporting each other and trying to tell each other what to look for next time and stuff. And eventually, when so many people came in, that chat started to turn around like fucking 180 degrees straight to the other side, full margin. And I was like, and now if you actually look, nothing is being said in the chat anymore. Everyone
it's your Zoom and then it's just
yes. Then you got the other guy with 2 people in the Zoom too, but the other guy, what's his name again, that puts in the Zoom link too?
No, we're not going. We're not going to put any negativity to anybody. I mean,
but the thing is, he puts in also some things to get a Zoom in, so that's pretty good. But next to that, if you look after that, there's a couple things set today, but normally the chat would be like very big, but all based on negativity. So it's pretty good.
That's the thing. I mean, here, like, you'll see maybe some disagreements, like people will share their point of view and not maybe everybody's going to be like thinking the same way, but it's still, the thing is keeping that good vibe and just like that positive attitude.
Like yesterday we didn't agree on some things, but it doesn't matter. Learn from everyone, like see everyone's perspective. And at the end of the day, everyone is always going to have a little bit of a different perspective. So it's always good to discuss. And that's why I allow people to discuss, not about dumb shit, but allow people to discuss about things so people can understand other people as well.
On money management, it was.
I see. Well, that's discussion, right? Like that's a discussion.
Yeah, it was interesting, and like everybody shared a point of view, and like we said, there was people like 30 years old, some younger, and just like everybody had different experience. Everybody lives somewhere, so like it was interesting.
Accept the opinion,
Exactly.
Let me do a chart real quick in between.
And even if you don't, if you don't accept it, just respect that person for what he's saying.
Exactly. Look, you reviewed my chart, but didn't inform me if I'm in the giveaway or not. Thanks in advance. Yeah, I'll just put you in. Go ahead, Frank. But
no, that wasn't.
Yeah, man, but that's true. That's true. Sometimes I do need to put a little bit of the handbrake on because it's getting a little bit out of hand.
That happens for everybody.
Yeah. So sometimes I just need to click on mute all and then go on after. But the value that is transmitted here following Raquel is truly to be appreciated. Nobody is making 1,000 every day, but we will arrive there slowly. Yeah, 100%, man, like Philip. 100%. Gotta be patient.
I mean, some guys are making thousands.
Yeah, some guys are making a lot of money right now. But I think it's not just about the money, it's about the journey and about what you're doing right now. You need to enjoy what you're doing. And if you enjoy what you're doing or you can live with what you're doing, you're already in a good place. The only thing that can go up, the only way it can go is to go up if you follow your discipline levels.
The road to success.
We need one more subscriber for 6,100. We grew a lot today, 150 subscribers.
Oh, really? That's amazing.
Yeah, a lot. The 100. Hi, Luke. What do you think of 5% risk per trade? Too much? I think if you calculate it based on all these days, yeah, if you get losses after loss after loss, calculate how many days can you take all these losses before your account is blown.
Luke, I just want to say that I'm in your live stream like for 1 week and a half, and I really like the vibe here.
Perfect, man.
It's like having friends trading together, so it doesn't get boring, and then sharing knowledge and perspective.
Yeah, perfect.
And that's really good. Yeah.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
Yeah, Dennis, agree with you, man. 100%.
Yeah.
King Huron.
And,
yeah, go ahead.
Also, like Frank, Najim, the one I know, Augustus, Mr. P, whenever they share trade and their opinion, sometimes I actually write it on my note, something to note, so I could learn it and open my note next time. So I feels it's kind of good. Like,
it's very good. You're learning.
Thank you.
You're learning from what's being said by everyone that's in here. So very good.
I take notes. Yeah. And the best thing is that I could ask question when I don't know about this or that. So yeah, it's good.
Perfect, man. John Jose Osoda. I'm from Colombia, and I'm studying trading since 1 year ago. I had 2 accounts, lost a lot of money, and now I don't know if I'm prepared for another account. I'm scared. What is your tip? I think you just jumped in without really backtesting enough and figuring out yourself enough yet. So I think what you need to do is create a small account and start trading with 0.03 cent lots and just start trying to learn how to manage risk, because as you can see, I lost a lot of money. That's not managing risk right there. So try and start to learn how to manage risk and go on from there. Oh, this song is really, I'm gonna remove this one. Yeah, small lots. Start trading those 0.03 cent lots for at least 3 months. Sometimes I say 1 month, but from the thing you say, I'm scared and stuff. At least 3 months until you're profitable with those 0.03 lots. Then slowly go up it to 0.05. Then up your account a little bit, and you're making money on the way because you're making small amounts of profits constantly. And then, you know, slowly build up to 0.10, 0.15, 0.20. So there's people in here, yeah, that start trading and they start trading with 0.50 cent lots straight away, and they lose all their money. Yeah, the reason why you're losing your money is because you're gonna do something that you don't even understand. So you first got to understand. I had a full process too of going over those small lots, you know. I had a couple of months where I before I got profitable, that I had to trade with those small lots to understand the market and understand how to manage risk and understand all these small things, because in trading, small things sometimes make a lot of sense. Global Fusion, you got a new subscriber here. I got my morning hangout. Weekend now, yeah. Thank you, man. Thank you for the subscription. Thank you. Yeah, we hit that 6.1k. Let me put that arrow horn thing out. Yeah, guys, perfect. Thank you. Thank you. So yeah, we've been streaming for 2 hours and 40 minutes now, about that, and I think I'm gonna call it a weekend right here. What we're gonna do is, if you don't follow me on Instagram yet, here's my Instagram. I'm gonna announce when the giveaway is gonna be this weekend. Oh, press that for a second. Put the link in there. So follow me on Instagram, and there I will announce who's gonna be the winner based on a generator or wheel or whatever. Just figuring out how I'm gonna exactly do it now. So be there, be square. Links in the bio, and then there's a good amount of people on it right now. So let's look at one more chart and then head off. Maybe put this one on the leaderboard too. Beautiful. 10 pips done. Not a lot of information, but I'll put you on the leaderboard anyways. Here again, this one. So we've got around 70 people in right now.
Yeah, sorry, I just.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just wanted to talk. What were you saying? You're going to do a live stream? When's that? Sorry.
Maybe tonight. Yeah. Maybe tonight I'm gonna do small live stream. If you want to be there too, just let me know.
Yeah, if I'm available, why not?
Gonna probably be like half an hour or 40 minutes, and we're gonna go over the trades we took this week.
Yeah.
What time, Luke?
I'll announce that on the gram.
Okay. I just want to know what time it's gonna be here.
Yes. So and I'll announce tonight as well on the stream for tonight. So there's gonna be live stream on YouTube, not on Instagram, but I'll announce on Instagram when the live on tonight is gonna be, and when the giveaway is gonna be, and then there's gonna be a small stream tonight of around half an hour, 40 minutes of going over the past trades we took this weekend, or at least I took, or some other guys took. So so that's gonna be tonight, probably around around 7 o'clock UK time, 8 o'clock UK time, or a little bit later. Who knows? But it's gonna be a lot of fun. So be there, be square. Thank you guys for tuning in. It was a lot of fun, and hopefully see you guys tomorrow. No, wait, Monday morning. Good morning. So don't over risk, don't over trade. If you already took your profits, if you already took a small loss, just call it one. Call it a weekend. Enjoy your day. Go do something that you like. That's trading. What trading is all about. Gain time. So yeah, guys. See you next week. Enjoy the weekend, and well, I'll be there tonight. So for the people that are here, still come on and have a good drink with us and a good chat about the trades we took. So see you tonight.
Thank you, Luke.
See you tonight, guys.
Take care, guys.
Take care.
Bye bye.
Take care, everybody.
See ya.
Bye bye. See you.
There you go.